How to join a private FPL league. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your PL application from your device and get logged into your FPL account. From here, tap onto Fantasy at the bottom bar. Then you will see a page like this. Under here, scroll below until you see Leagues and Cups. Then here you will see Join Leagues. Tap onto that option. And in order to join a private league, you will have to need a code. So make sure that you have the invitational code for your FPL. Paste the code here. Once done, tap on to join a league. If it's a public league, tap on to public and choose if it's classic or head-to-head and tap on join a league. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on FPL topic, do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.